Hi! In front of me is Samsung B2710 Solid, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Start by opening menu and choosing apps. Now you need to pick Bluetooth and choose search. Wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, select the preferable one. Wait a bit. Click on it again. And select yes by clicking on this left button. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect it, you need to choose it, select options by clicking on this left button, choose delete, and confirm your choice by tapping on this left button one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!